Cleaning your windows and screens just got a whole lot easier with the new Wet and Forget window and screen cleaner. Simply connect the hose-in nozzle to your garden hose, adjust it to the water setting, and rinse the windows first. Next, use the spray setting to clean the outside of your windows and screens. Let the cleaner set for 1 minute, but don't allow it to dry. Then rinse on the water setting for a superior clean with no scrubbing, no ladders, and no screen removal needed. The unique formula dissolves dirt and grime on windows and screens and cheats water off windows, minimizing water spotting. Wet and Forget window and screen cleaner is a gentle yet powerful solution, and the hose-in nozzle reaches up to 30 feet. So window and screen cleaning has never been more effortless. Plus, just one bottle cleans up to 36 windows, making all your windows sparkle in minutes without breaking a sweat. Wet and Forget window and screen cleaner for a superior scrub-free shine.